Hey guys, Cyberdina here with our December Antipodean Witch Box unboxing. Let's get started. Alrighty, so to start off, it's all very neutral, grey and black tone, and we can see that it says Swan Moon, the 12th of December on the pamphlet, so they've gone back to the full-size pamphlet. I didn't see anything online about it necessarily, so maybe it just didn't work out having the half-size pamphlets, but we've got the normal size pamphlet this month. Alrighty, so inside we've got incense sticks, which I don't really know what they smell like. I'm not good with incense and smells and stuff like that. I don't know what anything smells like, but they smell nice, so I do like that. We've got a piece of zebra marble, please ignore my terrible nails. I have just taken off my last acrylic set and I will be putting on more soon. I just haven't gotten around to it yet, so sneaky fingers. We've got our consecrated bath salts for clarity. Ooh, those smell quite nice. I like that. A piece of snow quartz. Little, I would say, elemental rune stones, maybe. A little tea light candle. Ooh, I like this a lot. So it has the pentacle and a skull, deer skull, ram skull, goat. I really like this pendant. A bell. So I could hear something in my box when I turned it upside down and I thought something might have been broken, but it's just a bell. So that's good to know that nothing broke in transit. Always a worry of mine. Got a rough piece of clear quartz. I've been on a real sort of binge of collecting clear quartz lately. They just always seem to have the nicest sort of roughs and clusters, so I always end up picking up a piece when I go places that have crystals. A second tea light candle. They don't have a scent, they're just plain candles. So we've got Tulsi herb. I don't really like how that smells, but that's fine. So another name for this is sacred basil. Maybe that's why I don't like it, because I just huffed straight basil. And some ashwagandha root. I've heard a lot of good things about ashwagandha, to be honest. Doesn't have a very strong smell, at least not after huffing basil. And we've got our sigil and affirmation for clarity. Oh, this one has a matte back, so it's shiny, but then the back is usually also shiny, but this one is matte. I I have all the wisdom, intelligence, and guidance I need to make good decisions. I trust myself. This is definitely a very good affirmation for me at the moment, having just made a big purchase in the form of a new computer, finally. So I think I needed to hear that at this time. So that's very good. And I really do like the monochromatic feel of the box. It's very peaceful to me, very full of clarity. I don't know what the word I want there is. Alrighty, so let's go through the pamphlet. So we've got the almanac for December 2019 is the 4th of December is the first quarter. The 12th of December is the full moon, the Swan moon. The 21st of December is Litha, midsummer solstice. 22nd of December is precise planetary summer solstice. The 19th of December is the last quarter, and the 26th of December is the new moon. So in this month's box, we've got the cleansing witch's bell. So the clear healing tone of a bell can have a few different effects. The bell's vibrations can banish unwanted spirits and or negative energies, call in positive desired energetic influences, and or simply clear stagnant energy in any space throughout one's home. You can also use them in many different traditional witchcraft practices. We've got the clarity, sigil and affirmation, bright sun's incense. This herbaceous blend heralds midsummer blessings and is designed to sharpen the mind, bringing mental clarity and emotional peace. The clarity bath salts. You can use the bath salts to invoke the spirit of the summer as you bathe. The salts can also be used to cleanse crystals, and you can also use it in rituals, form a protective circle with it, or scatter it on your altar and draw your sigil into it. So there's also a bit of information in here about fire scrying. So talks about how to fire scry using candles or flames generally, and it has a few different bits of information that you can read through. We've got the elemental stone set. These hand-painted glass gems bear the 4 elemental symbols as used in ancient alchemy. So I was right, they were the elements. Got the herb, the ashwagandha root. So apparently it has a strong aroma that is described as horse-like, as the word ashwagandha comes from the Sanskrit language and is a combination of the word ashva, meaning horse, and gandha, meaning smell. It is believed to relieve stress, increase energy levels, and improve concentration. The raw quartz, considered the most pure energetically, quartz can be used as an effective substitute for any other crystal in spell working. We've got the Tulsi herb, also called sacred basil, holy basil, or Butagni, I'm not 100% sure, destroyer of demons. It is a benign looking herb that is thought of as a divine incarnation of the goddess. Worshippers of Vishnu perceive the plant as the goddess Lakshmi, goddess of prosperity, abundance and fertility. We got our snow quartz, and it is believed to assist with accurately seeing into the heart of all matters and gaining alignment with the highest selves and the highest good. And it is used to communicate with angels and spirit guides. We've got the zebra marble, an amalgam of light and dark stone combines to form the beautiful zebra marble. It is called the yin-yang stone and is used in workings where a balance, harmony, equilibrium and clarity is needed, ideal for grounding and centering. Then we've also got the full moon ritual. The ritual this month is designed to bring a sense of clarity and resolution to any situation in your life that may be currently causing you anxiety. Litha and the summer moons are times of the light when darkness and confusion are banished by the radiant light of summer sun. And then on the back we've got some solar deities and a Litha chia pudding recipe. So these are all the things that I got in my December Antipodean witch box. They did mention on the Facebook group that the pendant was not in the booklet, and so there was a thread that had some information, but I didn't want to read it because I hadn't received my box yet, so I will be looking that up after this, and I will put a little bit in about it here. If you guys enjoyed watching, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'd like to say a big thank you for, at the time of filming, I have 51 subscribers, which is really cool. I don't know, didn't really expect to get there. But thank you all so much for subscribing. Make sure you do subscribe if you like seeing these kinds of videos. If you like makeup as well, and I do have some DIY projects coming soon, so if you're into that, then subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!